Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 279 problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. This first solution consists of three different steps. The first step is to clear Roblox data guys. To do this, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Now in here you just need to search for temp folder, double click on it and search for Roblox. Right click on the Roblox folder and delete it guys. After deleting it, close out of here. Now we need to clear Roblox data from the browser guys. For that, open up browser, click on the three dot icon, select settings. On left side select privacy and security, on right side select cookies, third party cookies. Scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here search for Roblox, click on the trash icon and clear it guys. After clearing it, close out of here. Now the second step is to allow the Roblox through firewall guys. To do this, go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows firewall, click on open it. Now we just need to find the Roblox file location guys. For that, right click on the Roblox pair and select open file location. Now copy this location guys, copy it and now close out of here. Now go back to control panel, Windows Defender firewall, click on the change settings and select allow another app. In here click on the browse. Now paste in here guys, just need to paste in the URL, press enter. Now we get the Roblox player launcher, click on open it. Now click on add. Now we just need to add Roblox Studio guys. Before that you just need to check mark the private and public in here, and after doing this click on allow another app and select browse. Now you just need to click on the versions, click on it and click on the Roblox Studio and select open it guys. Click on add. After adding Roblox Studio you just need to check mark the private and public, select OK. The third step is to change Roblox compatibility settings guys. To do this, right click on the Roblox player and select properties guys and select the compatibility tab and check mark the disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator, check mark both of it and select apply and OK for save changes. These all are first solution guys. If this solution doesn't work for you, let's move on to the second solution. Second solution is to reset our internet guys. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now check my video description for these three commands guys, copy and paste it one by one. After doing these commands you just need to restart it guys. For that, go ahead and restart it. After restarting your PC, check your problem solved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to change the DNS addresses. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it guys, click on network and internet, click on the network and sharing center, click on the network connection you are using it, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, click on it and select properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Now in here you just need to select the use the following DNS addresses and type here 8888 and 8844. After typing it, click OK for save changes, close out of here. Now check your problem resolved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and you can also support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.